Hi, my name is Jinho King, and I'm a Senior Solutions Engineer for ArcGIS Indoors at Esri. In this ArcGIS Indoors demonstration, we will be looking at configuring office, hotel, and meeting room capabilities using the reservation layer in Indoor Space Planner and in Indoor Viewer app in ArcGIS Online Cloud. Managing available spaces efficiently allows organizations to reduce cost and promote productivity by encouraging employees to work collaboratively. For example, your organization may want to allocate certain areas for shared use that employees can reserve for a few hours, like meeting rooms, or a few days, like office hotels. Indoors allows users to interactively find available rooms based on their needs and book them. Administrators can also enforce social distancing by making some units unreservable. For example, you may choose to make every other unit unreservable or to make the units in close proximity to bookable spaces unreservable. You can configure office hotels and meeting rooms based on your organization's needs and allow users to book them in the app. In Indoor Viewer or Indoors mobile apps, users can interactively find available workspaces on the map or search for them based on time, duration, capacity, and location. Indoor Viewer supports configuring workspace reservations using Microsoft 365 for office hotels, or the reservations layer in the ArcGIS Indoors information model for meeting rooms or office hotels. This demonstration will use a reservations layer in ArcGIS, which is ideal for organizations that do not have Microsoft 365 resource mailboxes. Reservations are managed through a feature layer in Indoor Map. This layer can also be added to maps outside of Indoors and shared with other groups in organization for use in ArcGIS dashboards. To configure workspace reservations using the reservations layer, you need to first create and configure the hosted feature layer. The reservations feature class is created by the Create Indoors Database tool at ArcGIS Pro 2.9 and later. If you're using ArcGIS Pro 2.8 or earlier version, you can download the separate reservations layer by searching ArcGIS Indoors Reservations Geodatabase in ArcGIS Online search bar. Turn off the Only Search in ArcGIS Organization filter, and it will display the reservations file geodatabase posted by on Esri staff. Go to its overview page and download the zipped file to your local folder. Once it is downloaded, go to My Content page and click the New Item menu. Click, drag, and drop the downloaded reservations geodatabase zip file to the file window and change its type to file geodatabase. Keep the Add Reservations, gdn.zip, and create a hosted feature layer option, and click Next. Give a proper name to its title, text, and summary, and click Save, which will process and create a hosted reservation layer in ArcGIS Online. Go to Setting, enable all editing settings, and change the editor's edit capability limited to their own features, allowing members to change their reservations only. Once it's done, click Save. The meeting room is based on the units layer, and it has to be modified to work with the reservations layer. To enable an existing indoor hosted feature layer, go to the Online folder with the hosted indoor feature layer and the overview page. From the layers list, click the Units layer. Go to the Data tab and select Fields to see the all existing field attributes. Click Add button to create a new attribute field. Give field name reservation underscore method and display name reservation method. The type will be an integer. You can omit the default value and click Add the new field. Once a new field is created, click the reservation method and click the Edit under the List of Values domain. Here, I have created Not Reservable label with a coded value of 0 and Reservable label with a coded value of 1. Click Save when it's complete. Now the reservation method field attribute is created with 2 coded domain values. The next step is to assign those 2 values in your facilities unit spaces. In ArcGIS Pro, I loaded the indoor web map directly by using the Portal tab in Category pane. I turned off the Floor Aware widget and selected conference room values from the Use Type field in the Units layer and assigned Reservable for the reservation method field. I then used the Switch tool to select the rest of the workspaces and assign them not reservable values. Don't forget to save the edits once you have determined which unit spaces will be used as reservable meeting spaces. Back in ArcGIS Online, I went to the indoor web map and added the new reservation feature layer and saved the web map. Now, your organization is ready to use the meeting room reservation method. Go to the Indoor Viewer app in Configuration mode and look for the Workspace Reservation tab in the second Configure tab. Enable the Workspace Reservation using Microsoft 365 or Reservation layer and select the Reservations layer under the Reservation method. Under the Reservable Workspaces, once you put a checkbox next to meeting rooms, you'll notice that the Meeting Room widget tool appears. Click the Meeting widget, and the map displays all the reservable spaces across the facility, where you can select based on the listed locations or from the map's meeting room space icons. Click the book icon to start the booking process and click Confirm. The confirmation pop-up appears with an option to add the meeting to a calendar. Please keep in mind that this method of meeting reservation is saved to your calendar only, and its reservation information is not shared throughout the organization's calendar system. Other users can view the booked meeting rooms by clicking the Book tab under the meeting widget. This completes the demonstration of how to set up a reservation feature layer within the existing indoor web map system and enable the meeting booking system. Again, please keep in mind that this demonstration is based on ArcGIS Indoor 2.8 release to work with the reservation layer, which will be embedded into the Indoor geodatabase schema in ArcGIS Pro 2.9 release. Thank you for watching.